We are in Cracker Country again. As soon as we arrived, they gave us some bingo sheets for the kids to keep them engaged as they found different things in the museum. There were educational interpreters in historic dress that guided the kids through activities that would have been familiar to a child growing up in Florida farming and ranching community over 100 years ago. The children were able to try their hand at churning butter, helping with the household chores, making their own toys, and taking a lesson in a one-room schoolhouse. And of course you have your gift shop, which has lots of cute, inexpensive toys and things that will remind your child of their time here at Cracker Country. If you guys enjoyed this video, please check out my other playlist, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.